We told you we'd get another video of the truck. He's got the front end put together and test fit. Looking good. It's coming on along. He's already got the air conditioning compressor and alternator all mounted on it. Everything's looking good. And then here in the shop, he's getting ready to do the doors. He's been working on them. He's been sanding and blocking them and getting them smooth. They're looking good too. You get these things painted and he'll have the cab completely closed in. Be able to roll the windows up. Have everything done on that. We done test fitted the hood, it fit good. Made sure the radiator and all cleared it. He's coming on along with it. Just thought I'd give y'all an update on it. Enjoy the video and we'll see you on YouTube.